Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simply May's Thoughts. Today, we'll discuss an important topic, which is how to file for asylum, which has been one of the most requested videos on my social media platforms, such as TikTok. By the way, if you are not following us on TikTok yet, go ahead and follow us, Simply May's Thoughts. We are on the road to 100K, so we have many discussions about education, immigration, politics, and life in general, to be honest. So go ahead and join our Instagram family and our TikTok family. There are 3 major steps to filing for asylum, and I'm going to break it down for you in a very simple manner. Number 1 is understanding your eligibility. 2 is gathering supporting evidence. And 3 is to apply and wait for your decision. We'll get into all of the timelines after you apply so that you can understand better what the process is like when you're waiting. To file for asylum in the United States, you need to meet the definition of a refugee. So, asylum is a form of protection granted to individuals who have fled their home country due to persecution or fear of being persecuted, retaliated against, physically harmed, however you would define being harmed, based on your race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. So there are many ways where someone can fear persecution in their home country, and the United States offers an area of refuge for those people. Then step 2, it's to gather your supporting evidence. So they really want to know, why do you believe you are unable to return to your home country? So whether it's affidavits, if you have legal documents that can prove it, witness statements, if anyone would like to speak to your character, but also speak to the conditions that they may have seen you in, news articles, country reports, and any other documentation that will support the fact that you absolutely need help, right? So then after that, you have to consider the fact that there's really 2 routes you can take to apply for asylum. Filing for asylum, you can use the affirmative asylum process, which is basically you are not in proceedings before the Executive Office of Immigration Review. And then there's the defensively process. So filing for asylum defensively is if you are in proceedings in front of an immigration judge or Board of Immigration Appeals. We're going to now touch on the form that you're going to file, because the USCIS website, they have a filing instructions tool that really simplifies it for you, right? You are required to file the form I-589 within 1 year of arriving in the USA. I'll put a disclaimer here. If you are past the point of 1 year of your entry date to the USA, then you should consult with an attorney or legal representative to understand what the options are available to you. However, the asylum process is for those who are still within 1 year of arriving in the USA. Effective May 9th of 2024, they will reject affirmative asylum applications improperly filed at service centers instead of the lockbox with jurisdiction over your place of residence. This is very important. Previously, you were allowed to send in your asylum application, which is the form I-589, to wherever filing location, and they would support you. Now they're saying you need to be accurate with the filing location you are sending it to. It has to be the one that has jurisdiction over where you live. So it's very important you follow this. The filing instructions tool is a really good resource that USCIS has to help support those who are seeking to file for asylum. There is an online form and a written form, but they ask you questions to kind of put you on the path to know how you should fill out the application. So once you go online, you can select between file online or file by mail. Based on the interactions I've had, some of the most successful apps have been ones filed by mail. However, you can choose whichever option is best for you. So once you start the application, you'll be able to see all of the different required information that they need from you. Like this video if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to fill out this form. So this video is really just to talk through the steps, but I'm going to follow up with a step-by-step tutorial on how to fill it out, and I'll ensure that that video is in multiple languages. But yes, if you would like that next video, like this video, comment below and let me know. What's next after you submit your I-589 form? So there is the filing asylum application, and then you have your biometrics appointment. So after filing the application, immigration officials will schedule a biometrics appointment for asylum seekers, during which they will take fingerprints and photographs for background checks. After the biometrics appointment, that's where you have your asylum interview. So following that, the asylum seeker will be called for an interview with an asylum officer or an immigration judge. During the interview, the applicant will have the opportunity to present their case and provide supporting evidence. That's where it's really important for you to maintain all of the supporting evidence you gathered before you file the form and any additional evidence that has shown up after you submitted the form. So then after you go through your asylum interview, they will provide you with a decision sometime after, and the USCIS or immigration judge will make a decision on the asylum application. If you are granted asylum, the applicant will be able to remain in the United States and eventually apply for permanent residency after 1 year of the asylum status. So once you're granted asylum, you will move forward with asylum status, and then 1 year later, you have eligibility to apply for a green card and be a permanent resident. If you are denied, I recommend that you speak with legal professionals to understand what are the next steps available to you. I want to wish you a very, very good luck on your application, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If there is another process that you would like for me to explain, please comment that below, and don't forget to watch the next video. See you later.